In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an event in Google Calendar. This can be a really useful feature if you have recurring events or similar meetings and you want to quickly replicate the information without having to re-enter it. So let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to head over to Google Calendar. You can do this efficiently by opening your web browser and typing in Google Calendar's URL or simply searching for it. Once you're in Google Calendar, you will see your scheduled events laid out in either the weekly or monthly view, whichever you prefer to use. Now pick the specific event you want to duplicate. Perhaps it's a meeting or even an appointment you've arranged. It doesn't matter which type of event it is, the process is the same. Click on that particular event to bring up the event details or an event preview card where all relevant information about the event is shown. Among the options available to you on this card is a set of 3 vertical dots, often referred to as more actions. This menu really is your friend when it comes to additional options, beyond just the basic ones. Look for these dots and give them a click to extend a drop-down list of actions you can take with this event. Now from this list you'll see an option that says duplicate. Selecting duplicate is the magic step here. When you click on this, what you're essentially doing is instructing Google Calendar to create a brand new event, matching all the details of the one you've selected. This includes everything from the event title to the description, and even the guests if there are any. Once the duplicated event pops up, you'll notice it's in editing mode, meaning that you have the flexibility to make any necessary adjustments. Maybe you need to change the date, update the time, or perhaps tweak some details to make it suitable for another occasion. This element of customization really allows you to save time while ensuring each event meets your specific needs. Once you've made all the desired changes, the only step left is to click Save. Doing so will finalize the newly created event into your calendar, ensuring it's there alongside your other commitments. This new event will now appear just like any other, ready to go whenever you need it, and there you have it. You've successfully duplicated an event in Google Calendar. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your schedule, maintaining the consistency and ease that comes with reusing event templates. This is a great way to keep things organized without having to re-input the same details over and over. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips.